growth. Growth in the sense that where you take yourself. And my growth is going to start with an apology. I think it is of extreme and paramount importance that I apologize. I like to apologize for my behavior last week, in the sense that I shouldn't have posted those screenshots. Even though a lot of people are very, very convinced that those, I will tell you they're not. And we must screenshots or tara egg. Yeah, exactly. Right. The reason why I am apologizing, and I'm not apologizing to the haters, no. I am apologizing to the people that actually look up to me and they expect me to behave in a certain way. And they get disappointed when they watch me being dragged or allowing myself to put myself in a situation where I get dragged and I get trolled on. And they're not happy with that. And they're like, Olinda, you are such an inspiration. You're a successful businesswoman. You are goals. You're getting educated. You are looking after your kids. You're doing all of this. Why then do you, the question is, why then do you allow yourself to be involved? And that really got to me. And so part of my Monday motivational, it's about growth. Growth and no longer allowing the things that do not serve you purpose in life to be able to walk away from them. Some things are just toxic and no longer fit your purpose and the things that you've got going on, right? So I apologize for my behavior last week. I shouldn't have posted those things. And, you know, like, it's a moment of weakness when somebody has always done nothing but wish you the worst. When things go wrong with them, you will always be the first to celebrate that. But Munigo has done the worst to me. So I'm only, ooh, nice earrings, mama. Nice earrings. So, yeah. Ndaga Farisa. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that what I said is not true and it didn't happen. And part of growth is, and part of being successful, it's not just about, oh, I have this amount of money, or dine $100, dine 1,000, dine 1 million. Part of growth, today I come as exhibit A. I am an example. I'm giving myself out as an example of the things that you are not supposed to do. So I am that example. So what happened last week are things that you are not supposed to do in your spirit of growth, in your moment of growth. And can I grow as a person? You need to leave your childish ways behind. There's a certain image that has to come with it. If I am going to be the image of a businesswoman, a philanthropist, a mother, an advocate, a lawyer, or whatever else it is that I'm about to bag, there's a certain things that I now need to leave behind. And it took this weekend for me to realize that. Even though, believe it or not, I did not read anybody's comments. I was not even, I don't delete a Facebook off my phone. So I'm a person that, first, I always self-reflect. I reflect on me and my own behavior and what my behavior says about me. So growth or success is not just about the amount of money you have, the amount of assets you have, the amount of